Good day everyone. Today, I'm gonna present the Chapter 7, Immersive and Virtual Tourism in Macro Perspective of Tourism and Hospitality Management. I am Ivanes Digimpis, and I would like to acknowledge Mr. Arthur Cabradilla for guiding us in the subject. Immersive virtual tourism is a form of travel experience that uses advanced digital technologies, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality, to simulate or enhance visit to destination, museums, and heritage sites. It allows tourists to interact with realistic, computer-generated environment or holographic construction, either remotely or on-site, creating the feelings of being there without physical travel. Introduction. Immersive virtual tourism represents a new frontier in hospitality and tourism industry. By combining technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality, it allows travelers to experience destination, heritage site, and cultural attraction in a way that go beyond physical travel. Visitors can walk through holographic construction of ancient sites, interact with digital guides, and previous destination before arrival. This innovation not only enhances accessibility and education, but also supports sustainability and reducing physical drain on fragile sites. Pompeii, Italy. Pompeii is one of the most striking examples of how immersive tourism can revive history. Acquired under volcano ash in 79 AD, the city was frozen in time. Today, VR apps allow visitors to see construction of ancient houses and streets. With the 2050s, mixed reality will let tourists walk through Pompeii exactly as it looks before Mount Vesuvius erupted. Imagine strolling through a bustling market, admiring Roman villas decorated with frescoes, and watching everyday life unfold. These technologies enhance education by making history vivid and interactive, while also protecting fragile ruins from over-tourism. Pompeii show us how immersive tourism can transform silent ruins into living cities once again. Acropolis Museum, Athens. The Acropolis Museum, visitors already see digital protection of missing Parthenon sculpture. In the future, holograms could construct the entire temple, giving tourists a full view of its original grandeur. This approach preserves heritage while offering immersive storytelling. Instead of imagining what the Parthenon once looked like, visitors will look inside of holographic construction, surrounded by its columns and sculpture. This technology spreads sculpts in history, making the cultural heritage more complete and accessible for future generations. Colosseum, Rome. Visitors today can join VR tours that simulate gladiators' battle. In the 2050, holographic construction could lead tourists to ancient spectacles, complete with cheering crowds and dramatic performance. Imagine standing in the arena of gladiators' battle, hearing the roars of thousands of spectators, and feeling the atmosphere of ancient Rome. This blends authenticity and technology make history come to life in forgettable ways, turning the Colosseum from a ruin into a living theater of once again. Louvre Museum, Paris. The Louvre already offers VR experience of Egyptian tombs. In the future, mixed reality could project holographic crowns guiding visitors through exhibit. Imagine being welcomed by a holographic Tutankhamun who explains the artifacts himself. This blends of arts, history, and storytelling transform passive viewing into active participation. Visitors won't just look at exhibit. They'll interact with them, deepening their understanding and appreciation of world culture. Kyoto, Japan at Gion District. In Kyoto, Gion District, VR tours overlay Edo period, street caves. By 2050, mixed reality will allow tourists to toggle between past and present Kyoto in real time. One moment, you're walking through traditional tea house with geisha's performance. The next, you're on modern street fields with shops and neon lights. This creates cultural immersion across countries, leading visitors experience the evolution of Japanese culture in a single walk. It's a powerful way to connect tradition with modernity. National Palace Museum, Taipei. Taipei National Palace Museum already animate ancient stroll digitally. In the future, holograms could bring entire painting to life, the moving figures and interactive storytelling. Imagine stepping inside a scroll painting, watching landscape unfold and character move around you. Visitors could not just view story, they could step inside. The immersive approach makes art more engaging, educational, and memorable, especially for younger generation. Stonehenge currently offers VR apps that show its construction phase. By the 2050, mixed reality could project holographic solstice rituals, letting visitors witness ancient ceremonies. Imagine standing among the stone while holographic druids perform rituals under the rising sun. This connects spiritually heritage and tourism in a deeply immersive way. Stonehenge Wall would no longer be a just mysterious monument. It would become a living cultural experience. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. UNESCO has already used 3D scanning to preserve Angkor Wat. In the future, holograms would reconstruct lost temples and ceremonies, allowing tourists to experience the grandeur of Khmer civilization. Imagine walking through holographic temples that no longer exist physically, while witnessing ancient dances and rituals. This ensures heritage is accessible while safeguarding fragile structure. Angkor Wat become both physical and virtual wonder of the world. Petra, Jordan. Petra already offers VR tours online. By the 2050, virtual reality revealed the treasure buried as it appeared in antiquity, complete with bustling street caravans. Imagine entering Petra's and seeing the holographic mansion, camels, and travelers moving through the ancient city. This enhances authenticity and visitor engagement, making Petra fast, vivid, and interactive. It transformed a static ruin into a dynamic cultural hub. Banawe Rice Terraces, Philippines. In the Philippines, Banawe Rice Terraces showcase community, tourist, and local storytelling. In the future, mixed reality could project holographic farmers teaching ancient techniques, blending heritage, sustainability, and immersive learning. Imagine standing on the terraces while holographic elders explain rice cultivation method, passed down for centuries. This ensures traditions are preserved while shared globally, making Banawe not just a heritage, but a living classroom for the world. Seen across Pompeii, Athens, Kyoto, Banawe, and many other sites. Immersive and virtual tourism has the power to transform how we experience culture and history. By the 2050s, technology like mixed reality and holographic construction will allow us not only to visit destinations, but to step inside their stories, going through ancient cities, witnessing rituals, and learning directly from holographic guides. This future is not just about entertainment. It's about accessibility, education, and sustainability. Fragile heritage sites can be preserved. Tradition can be shared globally. Travelers from all walks of life can participate in experience once limited by distance or cost. In short, tourism bridges the past and the future. It ensures that while technology advances, our connection to the future history and human stories remain strong.